So this is what we've done so far. The stay stitching. Let's move over here. The stay stitching front and back. Then we attach them at the shoulders. So we at the point for the bias tape, and like I said, I don't have that actual color or anything to match it, only that orange, so I might have to use that. But so I decided to use that bias tape. It doesn't look bad at all. As a matter of fact, as far as I can see, it goes well with it. So I've put the bias tape around the neck of the dress, and I serge the shoulder seams. Also, I just finished stitching up the side seams, and I'm getting ready to serge them. We're getting ready to put in the bias tape under the armhole. Okay, here is the bodice. That's the back. This is the front, and I still have the lower part of the dress attached. So I don't have to try to figure out so much because I've been away from the project for so long. Okay, this is the front. You're looking at the wrong side of the garment. So here are the side seams. They need to be pressed on both sides of the bodice. And then we're gonna attach our bias tape to the sleeve. But first, gotta press the seams in on the side. So now I'm placing my bias tape on the dress. We're doing the arms, the armholes. This is the first armhole. This dress doesn't have buttons or zippers, but it does have two large pockets, and everyone loves pockets. So I'm gonna complete this, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have one armhole in. Then I have to baste it and stitch it up, but I have to do the other side as well because it's not done. This side, we have one pinned in to be basted, and then we have the other side. But let's go to our favorite time of the video, and that's the sewing advent calendar, and see what's in store for us tonight to hang on that tree. So here we are. We're at day 19. We've come so far. Thank you for helping me by being there. I appreciate you all through this journey of cracking the whip. It gave me a great opportunity to complete a lot of whips that I had been watching for a long time. So let's do our calendar. Let's see what we have today. Cracking the whip with the Advent Calendar 2025. Let's see. Oh, this looks like a patterned piece. Somebody is drafting something. Isn't that cool? I just adore this little calendar. I wish I could have gotten a larger one. But I'm going to check for next year if we're here. That would be so, so nice. I have enjoyed doing this little series, Cracking the Whip, with this calendar and making these videos and getting some work completed. It's been a joy because I've been wanting to get that done for a long, long time. And this series has given me the opportunity to do so. Isn't that cute? Last hanging on that tree. These are some of the other ornaments. So nice. Do you have a favorite? If so, let me know. I believe mine is the tape measure. And look at the iron. And we're done for tonight in Cracking the Whip for Simplicity 9596. Join me tomorrow on the 20th. I appreciate you all. Thanks to all of the subscribers and those who are rolling with me. If you would consider subscribing to the channel, I would love to have you join the family and the fun. Thanks for watching. See you on Vlogmas Day 20th.